mulberry sky full of flashes and rumbles. An ocean alive as it rises and tumbles. And there, 'neath the waves of a stormy Atlantic, there lives a blue whale, and his name is Gigantic. This guy is unusual. He's different. He's odd. The smallest blue whale in the whole of the pod. His parents, they love him, but hope all the same that one day their son will grow into his name. "Hey, Titchy," taunts Titan, "if I were that small, I'm not sure I'd feel like a whale at all. In fact, little brother, I think you'd be wise to make friends with Myrtle. She's much more your size." He swims to the turtle and smiles a shy smile. "Hello there," she says. "Let's hang out for a while." So they leap and they dive and they dance and they play. Big fun for small friends in the mouth of the bay. Meanwhile, plumes of seaweed concealing their bulk, it's Titan with buddies Colossus and Hulk. "Just look at those pipsqueaks," he says with a frown. "Let's get a bit closer, see what's going down." "Oh wow," says Colossus, a smile on her chops. "Gigantic's so good at those flippity flops." "Your brother," says Hulk, "is a talent for sure. I've not seen a whale do a tailspin before." "Nonsense," says Titan. "There can't be much to it. How hard can it be if Gigantic can do it? I'll show those two shrimps how a real whale can swim, and I'll do it bigger and better than him." "Wait," says Colossus. "Stay right where you are. The sea in the bay is too shallow by far." Ignoring his friends, the determined young whale sets off through the blue with a swish of his tail.